Okay, so we're hyper, and it's our first night of, well, Christmas break, holiday break, because people are Jewish and other stuff. And she is gonna try to beat me in a burping contest, which is not gonna happen. She's trying to shake it up to get it carbonated, but I got Pepsi. And I'm Italian, and I came from a different kind of family. I could beat her. Oh, my teeth feel gross. I just choked. Oh! That tickled. Ew. I'm gonna lick your arm. Sorry. Ready? What was on your hand? Your slobber. Someone else. I can tell by the way you carry yourself. If you let me, here's what I'll do. Tessa, I'll take care of you. Aww. No, I won't. I'm just kidding. I've loved and I've lost. Shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Here comes Drake. Keep burping. I asked about you when they told me things, but my mind didn't change. I still feel the same with a life with no fun. Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they don't get you like I will. My only truth is I got respect you. Personal pride, still you can't see, thinking it lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in the pillowcase. Big girl thought it will take push me away so I give it space deal with the heart that is in a break. I will there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Say you're done with that on your face, girl, it just don't show. Burp. Just ain't as happy and the party's over. Just don't forget me. We'll change the pace, we'll just go. I can't burp. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so my trick is get some pop in there, and you breathe in a lot. I don't know why. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. Okay.
She's gonna kill me.
No. You gotta work it up. This is so disgusting for all the guys watching this. I'm sorry. I don't know how to do it. It's gonna be really big in a second. It's my birthday, I get high if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't
That's
say
not
you
your
love
butt
me
to
to
say.
your friends when they ask you. Even though we both know that you do. You do. One time been in love, one time you and all your girls in the club, one time awesome message following your hearts and mind control with us sometimes, and we all had our nights, so don't be so ashamed. I had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know. You hate me alone, ain't the only one. That's pretty good. Rock the dream, they sold you on. And you love your friends, but somebody should have told you something to save you. Instead, they said, wait. How? I don't know.
What is the name of that song?
Take care. This is the song I got raped to. Not literally, but at the dance. Alright, let's go, come.
Shaking!
I don't know what to do. Spit it out! It's so funny. I look fat. Don't hurt me. These aren't yours! It's a pup. Wait, tell them about your animals. Sorry. I mean, excuse me. My mom says sorry isn't enough. You have to say excuse me. The animals that you want.
I want an alpaca and a
never
llama and a porcupine and a hedgehog
And a koala bear.
a sloth, a koala bear, a bunch of dogs, and that
Donkey?
one. Oh yeah, there was a donkey. I want a donkey.
She wants all
Wait!
these weird animals,
And
but
the
she's
one
afraid
with
of
like
cows.
the giant eyes. They're from Madagascar.
You cracked.
I what?
You cracked. You moved. It's like an old lady. I
Oh,
can crack my
that's
neck. Oh, that felt good.
Oh yeah, that smelled good. Cracking my joints.
Oh my god. No, that'd be another video.